Okay, I got X12 open. It's the same whether it's in Suite or in X12 on this particular thing. I'm just going to draw a little, whoops, boy, I need to fix my profile plan. Zoomed in too close. Okay, I'm going to create an enclosure just for the purpose of having an environment to put stairs in. Now I'm going to build floor, build new floor, derive second floor. Okay. I don't care about the ceiling heights and that sort of thing. Not for this demo. Now we'll go back to the first floor. I'm going to go over to the stair tool. And yeah, okay, let's do a U-shaped stair. Let's see. I've never used this tool before. Okay, I don't think it matters. I'm just going to put it over here in the corner and left click. And you start here, you go up, and next thing I'm going to do is take this and use this in the edit toolbar, the command auto stairwell. Okay, all pretty straightforward. Okay, now what you're asking about is an enclosure like over here where there's a little bit of headroom. Well, number one, I'm going to take this and open the stair object and go to Style and uncheck Open Underneath. So that's not open underneath. But if you go over here, you can see it's still open here. Here. Okay, I'm going to go, and now with the wall tool, interior wall tool in this case, I'm going to go put a wall here. So you can't see it, and that's what you were complaining of. I get it. I'm just going to, so I've created a room here underneath the stair. See, there's the room. And we'll open that, we'll call it bathroom. I don't think it's, there might or might not be enough room there for a bathroom, but we'll see. Okay. Now you can see like that, but you can't see what's underneath. Let's put a toilet in there. Is that a toilet? Safety frame toilet. No, I just want a regular old toilet. Okay. We'll put it right there against the back wall. You can't see it. Well, what Eric was talking about is just open the stair object, which is occluding, and you go to the Fill tab, Fill Style, and go from Solid to No Pattern. And go back. Hey, you can see what's underneath. It's that simple. Let's say, all right, I'm going to extend this wall underneath the stair all the way over to here. This isn't very workable, but it's just to show a point. I'm going to hit the tab, click here and hit the tab key so I can get that wall. I'm going to delete that wall. It's still a bath. It's just now my room goes all the way back to there. So I'm going to click, hit the tab key, grab the toilet, and stick it all the way over under here. Now, it disappeared again. That's because this landing has its own Fill tab. Solid, no pattern. So again, that's what he was talking about. You want to put a door there. Now the door will show up. Yeah, do it like that. So there, now you could go back to the camera view. See, now there's a solid wall there because I put one there. There's a door there because I put one there, and there's a toilet. There's not enough headroom in there for the toilet. I'm just saying that each stair object has a Fill tab, including the landings, and you can, you know, make things visible underneath by changing the fill. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope this helps you and other people in need of knowledge. Thank you.